Carolina Lishman was killed by her husband Real Lishman at their Gib 5 home in November of 2017. In a statement now published by her family, they highlight that she was stabbed 12 times and in front of their 6-year-old daughter, but that despite this, he is set to walk a free man as early as next month, after only 4 years in prison. Real Lishman stood trial for murder and was convicted, but his conviction was quashed by the Court of Appeal, which ordered a retrial. He then pleaded guilty to manslaughter and was sentenced to 10 years and 10 months in prison. Earlier this month, a successful appeal against this sentence saw it reduced to 6 years, with Lishman eligible for parole on the 8th of November. The family of Carolina Lishman say they never agreed with the decision by the Director of Public Prosecution, Llamas QC, to accept the lesser charge of manslaughter by reason of lack of control, on the basis that Carolina stabbed Real Lishman first. They say this had not been the prosecution's case, and that the family had always strongly rejected this suggestion, claiming that by accepting this, the prosecution has turned Carolina from a victim to a violent criminal. They say the Director of Public Prosecution gave Lishman a way out, without him taking the stand and despite evidence supporting a finding of murder. The family also criticized statements made by the Attorney General Llamas QC, including that all their concerns will be dealt with in the context of a disciplinary complaint they submitted against Mr. Roca. They also say Mr. Llamas never consulted them in his review of the decision to accept the manslaughter plea, and asked him to disclose the advice he acted on. Carolina Lishman's family say they will forever find it incomprehensible how Real Lishman killed her so brutally. They say the ensuing legal process has failed Carolina and eroded every ounce of trust they had in the administration of justice. The family thank Carolina's close friends for the petition calling for a full investigation into the Director of Public Prosecution's handling of the case. At the time of writing, it had over 4,000 signatures.